Hey guys, how's it going? So, I know a lot of retail investors love SoFi, and I don't really want to offend anyone, but I don't have a position right now, and the stock did crash back down. And if I was to buy a position in SoFi, I'd do a swing trade on it, and I wouldn't hold it long term. If it goes back to like 20, 21, $22, I'd probably sell and take profit. But my gut feeling tells me that it could go down a little bit lower than this. That is my opinion. Not financial advice at the end of the day. You can do what you want, but SoFi, you know, is I think kind of overvalued for how much money it makes and how much revenue it makes. My opinion only. So yeah. Anyways, kind of wanted to make a video on it because it's popular and might get a lot of views on my channel. And my goal is to get as many views as possible from YouTube search. And the fact that SoFi crashed from its $20 target, $23, $24. I remember when I was talking about SoFi at like $20, I'd be like, oh, earnings is going to crash SoFi stock, but it didn't. It popped the stock, but eventually it crashed, so it didn't even really matter. Like a month later, it crashed to $16.34. Could be a buying opportunity here for maybe potentially a pump back to $23, like a swing trade. But who knows? At the end of the day, it may weird things can happen, and SoFi could crash even further, and we could see SoFi at $10 in the near future here. And then I don't know. So don't bet the boat on it. Put a little bit of money in it. This is not financial advice. But I wouldn't gamble a huge amount of money into this simply because it could go lower. Put a little bit of money in, hope big money pumps it, swing trade it. But again, not financial advice. If you want to take your entire life savings and throw in SoFi and you believe that SoFi will be $100 billion company one day, well, whatever you believe, I don't care. You do what you want. It's your money. My opinion is play it safe. Invest what you're willing to lose. Hope big money pumps it, and you make some money off of it. But that's my opinion. This is the company where I would say, is a much better buying opportunity. Why? Because it has a market cap $2.36 billion. If it was to be SoFi's market cap right now, that would be 6x return on investment. 6x, like 2 billion to 13 billion. So Voyager has a lot of significant upside, especially if the company can execute, and management can execute. And I think they will. I think 2022 is going to be a great year for Voyager Digital. And I think Voyager will surpass SoFi in revenue in the future. That's just my opinion. Only time will tell if I'm right or wrong. And Voyager has a token too, so it is what it is. So there's two different ways of interacting with with Voyager. You either get the token or you get the stock. There's two options of investing. The token's a lot cheaper than the stock. The token right now is valued at 1.33 billion, while the stock is valued at 2.36 billion. And with the token, at least you get 7% interest every single month for holding it. So if you hold 1,000 coins, you get, let's just take out a calculator. 1,000 coins times 0.07 divided by 12, you get 5.8 coins per month, times by $4, or I don't know, $5, I guess. That's $30. You're getting $30 a month for holding 1,000 coins of VGX, right? And how much is 1,000 coins of VGX? 1,000 times 5 is $5,000 or whatever, $4,701. So it's not that big of a deal, and you get 30 for putting $5,000 in a month. You get $5,000. You get $30 a month back in rewards, and then you also get money from trading. So my little bit of a promotion of VGX token. I honestly prefer VGX token over the stock, but the stock, yeah, that's me. I would actually prefer the VGX token over the stock, because I think the VGX token, you get stuff for holding it. You don't get anything for holding Voyager stock. You get nothing for holding it, besides maybe a future pump when it gets listed on the NASDAQ or whatever, or when the company executes. But if the company executes and does well, the VGX token will get pumped too. So it makes more sense with the VGX token. Unless the VGX token becomes more valuable than the stock, then the stock obviously is the better buy. But that's just my opinion. So yeah. Anyways, that's it for the video. I don't really have too much to say. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.